Hello, my quilting friends. This is Rosie the Quilter, and I have another progress report on my African fabric Scrappy Quilt. Well, earlier you saw the general outline of the fabrics that I'm going to be using. Well, I decided my block size will be 8.5 by 8.5. That will allow me to use as many of the fabrics that I have available. And one of the things I'm going to have to do in order to achieve that size is with my smaller batik rectangles, I'm going to have to sew them together into to make that larger size block. So I started off with a 4 patch, right? But in order to achieve that 8.5 inches, I had to trim one side of the block by 1 inch and then add the other unit. And that will give me 8.5 by 8.5. I'll just have to do a little trimming to bring it down to the 8.5 inch size, but that'll be it perfectly. After I'm done with that, and I just have a few more to do, I'll be able to start on my next step, which is the fun stuff. That will be combining my larger batiks with the African fabric. That should be real fun. So I'll be back again when I get that all organized and ready for you to see. Happy sewing. Bye.